Y'all, my age is showing today. Baby, I got on a blouse. Baby, I got on a blouse today. She is over 30. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, That Chocolate Beat, with me, Erin Wells, and you read that title correctly. Let's make vegan Chick-fil-A chicken nuggets. Let's get started. Now, I actually had this video on my channel before, but I used jackfruit, so I really wanted to do the experiment with some tofu. Now, I know how y'all are. I know how the girls like to tussle honey, so I am going to do it with the soy-free tofu as well as traditional super firm tofu. So first things first, I did start last night at my client's house because I wanted to make sure the tofu got a chance to marinate overnight. So all I did was cut it, kind of looked at what size and shape I wanted it. Definitely wanted to cut the corners off so it's not a square nugget. You don't have to cut every corner off. You can do 2 corners. I started doing that later on, but you'll see in the previous footage that I'm just doing all 4 corners cut off. And don't worry y'all, I did not waste the corners I cut off. I definitely made a salad with that, okay? Definitely cooked that up and made me a delicious salad, bomb.com. So after cutting up my soy-free tofu, I marinated in pickle juice overnight. I am currently marinating the regular firm tofu in pickle juice right now. It has been marinating for, I believe, an hour. Hold on, where's my phone? I can confirm. What time is it? Phone? It has been marinating for an hour now, and I really wanted to get maybe another hour in, but we'll see. Probably another 20, basically. I want to give it a fair shot. But it has not been marinating as long as the soy-free one because obviously that was overnight and this has only been out. I'm repeating myself. Move on. All right, let's go ahead and make our batter for our Chick-fil-A nuggets. We're gonna take 1 cup of flour, 1/4 a cup of powdered sugar. We're gonna add in some poultry seasoning because we want this to taste like chicken. This was not in my previous video, but you know, as I have matured in my veganhood, I figured, well, if we're making chicken, should we add some poultry seasoning? Yeah.
Now we're going in with some garlic powder. I could not find my paprika, so I used some smoked paprika. Next up is the chili powder, and if you're wondering about how much seasoning I'm adding, it's about a teaspoon, but shake till your ancestors tell you to stop. I then found my regular paprika, so I tried to scoop out some of the smoke, but to be honest, I mean, you probably could have just added both. Smoked paprika ain't that bad, as long as you don't go overboard. Now we're going in with some salt and some pepper.
Y'all, I look back and I actually forgot to add in some baking powder. Why you add this in, I don't know. Y'all know I just give y'all the recipes. I don't be knowing the science of the recipes. I just give it to y'all, okay? So boom, we're gonna add in some baking powder to our mixture, and now we're gonna mix this all together. Now that our mixture is all blended up, let me turn it back down to our stove, which y'all got a brand new stove. Hold on. Let's look at how shiny it is, okay? We got a brand new stove, y'all. I'm excited. All right, let's hit temperature. Oh my God. Temperature. Start.
What new stovetop that you never read the instructions to and now you have no idea how to use it? What? Who said that?
We do not have a new stovetop. We're using a cast iron on our good old faithful portable stovetop. As you may or may not know, Chick-fil-A fries in peanut oil. This is 32 fluent ounces, just in case anyone wonders. My original video from years ago, Just Egg was not invented. I just literally battered in pickle juice. So you can use the double batter method if you want to, because I know Just Egg is pretty expensive. I just want to kind of save some carbs and use this instead. That's it, okay? We're gonna scramble the rest. We're starting off with our soy-free tofu. I've already drained the pickle juice. Let's put it right into the flour. Mix that up in there. Making sure everything is coated. Yes, I am gonna double batter. Drop it in the egg wash and back into the batter. Egg wash, back into the batter. Just so we have a clear separation of the soy-free tofu versus the regular, let me go ahead and remove our soy-free tofu and batter up some of the organic tofu. Let's go ahead and fry up our first batch. All right, it has been 5 minutes, 52 seconds. I'm gonna go ahead and flip these. One was already super immersed, so I'm gonna go ahead and take this one out. I just wanna get them like another 30 seconds on the other side, and we're gonna go ahead and go take them out and put in our next batch. In goes our tofu. All right, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and try our smallest one. Oh, I'm so excited. Smile at it. I bit my lip a little bit. Mmm. Y'all, it's really good. It is really good. Tastes like Chick-fil-A. It doesn't look like Chick-fil-A. I do wish it got darker. I don't know what that secret is. Maybe it's a chemical I don't know about, but taste-wise, bomb.com. So maybe even longer in the fryer. I don't know. And I still don't know if Just Egg made any difference, to be quite honest, because it looks the same as when I made it years ago, like batter-wise. But either way, I'm gonna eat one more because it's so good, and then we're gonna get the tofu one out. Yeah. It's too hot, Aaron. It's too hot. This is how much time has elapsed. I'm gonna do the same thing I did last time and flip them for about 30 seconds. We're gonna go ahead and remove them from the oil. Oh, these fried totally different. Okay. Did I let the tofu cool? No. Am I gonna burn my mouth again for y'all? Yes, absolutely. So boom, this one got a little bit more crisp, which is why I went ahead and immediately removed it, but that's okay. That's all right. We want to test the two different textures. All right, let's do a try me bite. Smile at it. As far as taste and texture, because of the batter, they taste the same to me. The marinade process, this did soak in. I was a little worried that it only got an hour. So no need to do overnight. I would say hour or two is actually just fine for soaking because it tastes exactly the same as the soy-free tofu. So I know this is a waffle fry container and not a chicken nugget container. However, I did not get a clean chicken nugget container from Chick-fil-A, so therefore I'm not finna cross-contaminate on my own channel. So we're gonna load up our chicken nuggets in here to, you know, make a little cute thumbnail. Period. This is actually what inspired the video. I was babysitting last weekend overnight, and the kids got their own debit card, and when we went to, they wanted to go to Chick-fil-A, and it was like, Miss Erin, what do you want? And they paid for my Chick-fil-A, y'all. So this is what inspired the video. I was like, okay, haven't been here in a while. Let's make our own vegan version of the nuggets because it's been a long time. So let's go ahead and load this up. Oh, just enough to peek over the top. Yeah, okay. Isn't that so cute? We got Chick-fil-A at home. We got Chick-fil-A at home. We also got the Polynesian sauce at home as well, okay? We got all the Chick-fil-A at home. So baby, I know this dip really finna do it. Hold on. The Polynesian sauce is absolutely vegan. It got chemicals in it, but absolutely vegan. All right. So we gonna really make it even more authentic tasting by dipping it in our sauce. Oh, yes. And before y'all ask me to make this, it has way too many chemicals in it, please. Come on now. Y'all know this ain't just straight ingredients. Y'all know you gotta sparkle a little mustard or a little glucose in there. Come on, I don't have that here. I don't have that ingredient. I don't. All right. Y'all make this. Look at that. Get into it. Ooh, get into it. It's still hot. It's still hot. And if y'all wondering why I didn't make no waffle fries to go with this, it's because I left them at my client's house last night when I was cutting the tofu up. I left it. And I'm not finna go get it. They can have it. I'm not finna go across town and get no fries. As always, make sure you like, comment, subscribe down below, and I'll see you next time. Peace.